Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Kia Sportage 2011 to 2016? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2011 to 2016 Kia Sportage protects key engine, lighting, and major electrical circuits. It contains essential fuses and relays to ensure safe and reliable system performance. Its design allows easy access for inspection, troubleshooting, and quick replacement. The engine compartment main fuse panel, EMS box, in the 2011 to 2015 Kia Sportage controls and protects vital engine management and electrical systems. The battery fuse terminal in the 2011 to 2016 Kia Sportage protects high current circuits like the alternator, starter, and main fuse panels. It ensures safe power distribution from the battery to critical systems. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2011 to 2016 Kia Sportage protects interior electrical circuits such as the dashboard, infotainment, lighting, and climate controls. It organizes fuses for safety and convenience. Located inside the cabin, it allows quick inspection and easy fuse replacement. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2011 to 2016 Kia Sportage RH UK model protects key interior systems like dashboard electronics, infotainment, lighting, and climate controls. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.